Stop. Whatever you're doing right now, just stop. Put the phone down for a second. Actually, no. Keep watching. But stop rushing. Take one slow breath in. Fill your lungs completely. Hold it for just a moment. Now let it go. Slow and easy. Feel that? That right there is your body telling you, this is important. Because I need you to understand something before we go any further. This video, it didn't just show up in your feed by accident. The algorithm didn't randomly throw this at you. You were pulled here. Something inside you, something quiet and instinctive, saw that title and said, yes, that one. And that pull? That wasn't curiosity. That was recognition. There is someone in your life right now. Could be someone you talk to every day. Could be someone you haven't spoken to in weeks, who is carrying feelings for you so deep, so real, so heavy, that they don't even know what to do with them anymore. Not a little, oh, they're cute kind of thing. I'm talking about the kind of love that changes a person, the kind that makes someone rethink their whole life at 2 a.m, the kind that's so strong it scares them. And here's the wild part. Somewhere in your chest right now, you already know it, you felt it, you just didn't have the words for it yet. Stay with me, because by the time this video ends, you're gonna feel things you haven't let yourself feel in a while. Before we go deeper, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe right now. Tap that bell icon and hit all notifications. Every video here is built to reach the part of you that most people ignore, your intuition, your emotional intelligence, your soul. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Subscribe, do it now, I'll be here. Okay, let me paint a picture for you. Think about the last couple of weeks. Have you been feeling off? Not sad exactly, not angry, just unsettled? Like something in the background of your life is humming and you can't quite figure out what it is. Your mind keeps drifting to someone without warning. You're in the middle of something completely unrelated, washing dishes, driving, trying to fall asleep. And boom, there they are. Their face, their voice, a memory, a feeling. You didn't call it up, it just appeared. That's not you being dramatic. That's not overthinking. That is energy transfer. When someone thinks about you with real intensity, when their heart is genuinely connected to yours, you feel it. Maybe not like a lightning bolt, more like a low hum, a warmth in your chest you can't explain, a sudden urge to check your phone, a name that drifts into your mind for no logical reason. Science is still catching up to what ancient wisdom already knew. People feel each other across distance. Emotions are not just chemical reactions locked inside your skull. They move, they travel, they reach. And right now, someone's emotions are reaching for you. Let me tell you about this person. They're not the loudest one in the room. They probably don't wear their heart on their sleeve. On the outside, they might even seem calm, composed, unbothered. But inside is a whole different story. Inside, they think about you constantly. In the morning, before they've even fully woken up, before they've checked their phone or made their coffee, their first thought is you. Not on purpose, it just happens, like their brain defaults to you the moment the world gets quiet enough to hear it. And at night, when the day is finally done and the noise dies down, you're the last real thought before sleep takes over. They replay things, a conversation you had that you probably don't even remember, a look you gave them, something small you did. Maybe you were just being you, not even trying, but it stayed with them like a photograph burned into memory. You didn't try to leave a mark on this person, you just showed up as yourself. And that was more than enough to change them. Now here's the part that's going to hit the hardest. This person has feelings for you that are real, deep, genuine, overwhelming feelings. So why haven't they said anything? Because they're terrified. Not of you, of what speaking up might cost them. They've been hurt before, not just a little heartbreak kind of hurt. The kind of hurt that rebuilds you from scratch. The kind that teaches you to protect yourself like your life depends on it. So they watch from a safe distance. They show up in quiet ways. They check on you when you least expect it. They celebrate your wins like they're personally invested. They feel your pain even when you try to hide it. Their love isn't loud. It doesn't come with grand gestures. But it is loyal in a way that most people never experience. They think to themselves, if I say something and it goes wrong, I lose them forever. What if they don't feel the same? What if it changes everything? What if this love is the one thing I'm not allowed to have? So they stay quiet, and they love you privately, and they carry it alone. Does that hit different? Because it should. Because someone out there is choosing your presence over their own peace every single day, and asking for absolutely nothing in return. Yo, Pause real quick. If you're feeling this right now, drop A in the comments. Seriously, I read every single comment on this channel. And if you're still not subscribed, come on, you know this is the content you need. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, stay in the loop. All right, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. Here's how you know this is real and not just vibes. Think about these signs and be honest with yourself. Have you felt sudden waves of emotion lately that didn't match the moment? Like you're fine? Genuinely fine. And then out of nowhere, you feel this rush of something, longing, warmth, nostalgia, a fullness in your chest, and it passes just as quickly as it came. Have you felt like someone was with you, not physically, but energetically, in a room where you were completely alone? Have you had the urge to reach out to someone out of nowhere and then talked yourself out of it? These are not coincidences. These are not random. Your nervous system is picking up on something your logical mind keeps dismissing. Trust it. Energy doesn't disappear just because feelings stay hidden. When someone loves you deeply and silently, that love has weight. It creates ripples, and you feel those ripples even if you don't understand why. Okay, here's what I want you to do. Close your eyes if you can, or just soften your focus. Take one more slow breath. Don't think, just feel. Let a name come up naturally from inside you, not the name you're hoping for, not the name that would make the most sense, the name that rises on its own. For so many of you watching right now, the first letter that comes is J. Someone sincere, someone steady, the type who never says too much but means everything they do say. They show love through actions, not announcements. Reliable, real, and quietly obsessed with everything about you. For others, it's K. Confident on the surface, completely soft underneath. The type that acts like they've got it all together but falls apart a little every time you're in the room. Strong enough to protect you. Gentle enough to understand you. For some of you, it might be M. Thoughtful, deep. The kind of person who remembers the small details, who brings up something you said months ago like they've been thinking about it ever since. And for others, a completely different letter just rose up, didn't it? Something shifted, a little recognition, a small spark. That's your answer. Don't overthink it. Your first instinct is almost always right. Here's what I need you to walk away from this video knowing. You are not hard to love. You never were. The right person doesn't need you to be polished or perfect or put together. They fell for the version of you that you keep protected, the version that feels too much, the version that loves deeply and gets hurt easily, the version that's been through things that changed you but didn't break you. That version, that's the one they want. Your emotional depth isn't a burden, it's a gift. And this person, they see it. They see you. And they are in awe of everything you are, even the parts you're still figuring out. So pay attention going forward. Notice who shows up for you without being asked, who checks in out of nowhere, who gets a little quieter when you're around, like they're afraid to say too much, who celebrates you like your wins belong to them too. That's your person. They're not far. And something is about to shift between you, sooner than you think. If this video spoke to you today, if it woke something up that you've been quietly feeling, share it right now with someone who needs to hear this. Drop your letter in the comments below. Tell me, JKM or something else entirely. I genuinely want to know. I read every single one. And if you're not subscribed yet, come on, for real. This is your sign. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, choose all notifications, because the next video, you're gonna want to be there for it. I'll see you real soon. Take care of yourself. You deserve every single piece of love that's headed your way. Don't ever forget that.